How to recover Tinder account. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To recover your Tinder account, you can just browse through Tinder help. Then just tap on submit a request. That is the first option. If you have just forgotten your credential, you can easily recover it by tapping on forgotten credential. In the case of a ban or a restriction, go ahead and select on trouble with account login. Next, you can select on any of the option provided to you that is more preferred to your problem. I'll be selecting the option of my account is banned. So all I have to do is tap on the option. At the bottom, you will find this form type of layout where you can enter your email address, phone number, and in the description box, enter your issue. For an example, since I have added that my account is banned, I'll be typing my account notifies me that I have been banned. Kindly help, and also state that you have not conducted any of the misconduct or violated the code of conduct or the terms or condition of Tinder. Now, in case of ban, it is not guaranteed that you'll be able to recover your Tinder account. It depends upon the extent of what you actually did. You can add files or even add a screenshot of the email address that states your account has been banned or restricted. Tinder agents will look after it, and if you have not conducted a serious code of conduct, it will help you to recover your account. That wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.